Hello everyone. So the latest information here is that now we have this little device ready. The next one in the Futaba line. So this is M202SD01L, or it also works for M202SD01HA. And should we see what it does? So this is set up for serial mode. And yeah, connected here with power and one serial connection. This is what's actually being used in medical equipment. And this is just an example of customer's screen, what they sent, what it should look like. The cursor is not there in their screen. I just have it here for my own test purposes. So yep, this is how it works. Very simple. So here's a previous version for development. You might notice there's some differences, but here, the final version. Feel free to ask, feel free to order. If you need other versions of Futaba displays, please contact me. Thank you.